Welcome back. Thanks for watching Skylands Weekly Channel 10. A unique atmosphere and new way you can check your health concerns is with a nurse practitioner. Take a look at the New Perspectives Healthcare offices in Sparta and see what they could offer you.
Run by two nurse practitioners, primary care. They handle everything from stitches all the way up to very sick. They send for x-rays, they send for CAT scans. They also work with behavioral health issues. They pretty much cover everything that's necessary for primary care.
We are a primary care. We do adult medicine here, healthcare, 16 years and over, men and women. And we treat chronic diseases as well as acute diseases. So we cover high blood pressure, diabetes, osteoporosis, as well as your sinus infection, your sore throat, your abdominal pain, your chest pain. We like to promote wellness here.
We see anybody from ages 16 and up, so we see geriatric clients and we see some adolescents. Primarily that 45 to 60 age group is our primary target here.
Sharon and I have been working together for 12 years now, 2 years here and 10 years in a previous position.
We decided we wanted to do things a little bit differently. We wanted to take a little more time with our patients. That we wanted our focus as nurses was a little bit different than that of medicine, and we wanted to capitalize on that. Hence, New Perspectives was born. It's a new perspective in patients' healthcare.
It is a nurse practitioner owned and operated, which is actually very uncommon in the state of New Jersey. As far as we know, we're probably the fourth for primary care to open up independently without a physician being in the building.
This practice is a little unique. There's only, I believe, 4 or 5 other practices in the state that are nurse practitioner-run primary care practices, although nurse practitioners have been functioning since 1960. A lot of people haven't heard a lot about nurse practitioners in the past. However, that's going to be changing. With healthcare reform being passed, the big push is for primary care providers nurse practitioners to be recognized as the primary care providers to provide that gateway into the healthcare system. Our goals are to partner with our patients to really help our patients be as healthy as they can be. We certainly treat illness, but the goal really is to prevent illness in patients. We want to prevent obesity, we want to prevent diabetes and high blood pressure, and in doing so, by educating our patients and having them be partners instead of just taking our instructions, actually helping with the plan, we find we're very, very successful in that area.
I would like you to understand why you have diabetes, why you have high blood pressure, and why you have the things that you have, maybe your family history. I want to help promote education so you understand what it's about and what you can do to change it. Because truly we all are responsible for our own health, and I think people tend to forget that if you actually have some knowledge that as you're gaining weight, you're more at risk for high blood pressure and diabetes and other issues like cholesterol, which makes you more at risk for heart disease, heart attack, stroke, that maybe you'll make a choice in your lifestyle to change it and hopefully prevent it. We have 3 offices. We have 2 handicap bathrooms. We have a lab, medication room, 7 exam rooms, waiting room, front office. And we're pretty much full service. We're in Sparta, New Jersey, right off the jug handle across from the post office. And this used to actually be a health club, and it was just one flat piece of cement, and Sharon and I were lucky enough to stumble upon it, and we were able to design our office, pick out our colors and carpeting to make it more homey atmosphere and calm.
Nurse practitioners are generally master's prepared nurses in a specialty. My specialty happens to be primary care, so I practice in primary care. We provide well care, physicals, pap smears, immunizations, and we also provide sick care. We treat patients with sore throats, diabetes, high blood pressure, things like that. That if anybody has further questions about nurse practitioners or New Perspectives Healthcare, they can call 973-726-0355.
Visit newperspectiveshealthcare.com. Still ahead, Sussex St. Clair's helps us stay germ-free. We'll show you more next.